Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Okay, we're in an area called Tianhe. This is called Bandidos. We're going to be walking around Tianhe a little bit. Maybe we're going to go around and just kind of see. I think it's kind of the CBD, the downtown office building clientele. And down that way I believe is the river, just to give you some context. So we're going to start at Bandidos and then walk around and take a look at Tianhe in Guangzhou. Guangzhou, Tianhe, up on the map. We're going to be showing you another slice of Guangzhou. This is starting at a Mexican restaurant and kind of it's kind of a business district. Nice area. Anyways, it's up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and we're just going to get right into it and show you as if you were there yourself. So here's another slice of Guangzhou for you. Okay, Tianhe in Guangzhou. So it looks like we have a lot of different restaurants. We have a Mexican restaurant. I see a Vietnamese one across the street. There's a Starbucks as well, and a park. So we got a little bit of mix of different things, a touch of class, lots of restaurants, all kinds of different ones too. So we could go, let's just go across the street because I want to walk. Looks like there's more restaurants over here. And we just kind of meander a bit and get a little feel for Tianhe, my first time in this part of Guangzhou. Starbucks and the Vietnamese and the park, the bikes that you can rent, bike share. California roll, I got a whole restaurant of just California roll. Nice. Store by JPG. Lots of coffee shops, dim sum. Lots of people kind of can sit outside too on the sidewalks, which is nice. And Guangzhou is definitely known for dim sum, so we have some dim sum right there. Have some nice big wide sidewalks in this area. KFC. Let me just see if I can walk to the left to see if there's some street that we can go to. It looks like there's a park right in the middle there. In that case, we're going to keep on walking this way. So my plan is just to kind of give a general idea of Tianhe, a slice of it. And usually what I do is I just turn the camera and I just go. Let me just kind of see. On that side of the street, looks like that side of the street might be more interesting. Family Mart, Cream, Barbershop, Carlsberg, Public House, Morgan, Zhujiang, Pony's Cantonese food. But we're gonna just keep on walking down. Let me just see. The basic plan, check out that nice big room there. Massive. Lots of different bikes here. Usually the bike share, they have Guangzhou's a big city. It looks like there's like a big mix of all kinds of different. So this is our street right here. Just to give you an idea if you wanted to see exactly where we are. Trees in Canton. So of course we could go down that way, which I think is what I'm gonna do. And that's the road that we were just on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera on when we get over there. Okay, so now we're kind of strolling. Let me just we'll just keep on sticking through here. So we're just walk down about 1 block to get more to where there's more action and more stores. A lot of people are hanging outside coffee shops. It's pretty cool. Kind of got stuff on both sides. Lots of trees as well, and bikes. So we're kind of sharing the road with bikes. Some of them come right at you. Okay. So as far as I know, this is more like a CBD downtown area with more commercial corporate offices, I think. Maybe somebody should correct me. Make some comments below. Maybe just cut all these down, trimming. Lots of different directions we could go here. I think we're going to be going straight most likely. Let's see what's down here. Another Starbucks, what? Okay. So we will keep going. We'll follow this one. Lots of trees on the corners here. Almost got hit there. Huh. I think I want to go this way. I got 11 seconds to do it. But I see more businesses over here. I better hurry. Red light. Okay, I'm gonna walk down that way a little bit. So anyways, this is a slice of Guangzhou. There's some big buildings over there, IFC. Let's go this way. Yeah, so let me just kind of try to see if I can sum up Tianhe a little bit from a very limited view. But nice big sidewalks. Yeah, everywhere in Guangzhou is a little bit different. I've definitely seen much different kinds of areas too. But yeah, big long sidewalks, big wide sidewalks. Lots of shade, lots of trees, lots of foliage, everything grows. This will be a video that I'll after this one I'll do a small series of Guangzhou ones. Not sure how many yet, but there will be a number of them, a few of them at least. And I just came out of Changsha. So I'm also filming. I have maybe about 12 or 15 of Changsha, so I'll probably start one and I'll probably upload one of these. We go across. And I'm going to do a quick comparison, but here I'm kind of surprised by all the lushness. Definitely has, you know, trees kind of growing everywhere compared to Changsha, which felt more, well, you didn't have it wasn't as tropical this year, so the weather's already different. But you do get high humidity here, but it's not like that today. It's quite nice today actually. So let's go a little bit further. We'll just kind of see this big main road, and then that means we kind of will have walked through enough of Tianhe that you get some kind of idea of what it is, this slice of Guangzhou. And so yeah, usually what I do is I just kind of take a snippet of a city so you can get an idea of some of the streets in a certain area. Let's just go up and take a look at this main road, and then I'm most likely going to end the video. Now you have an idea what it looks like. Lots of office buildings over there, and some apartment buildings over there. and let's just end it right there. So we'll just come over to the road so you can see where we are. Now you have a slice of Tianhe part of Guangzhou, so you have a little bit of an idea.
Got the